Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Success English Web. In this video, we are going to discuss about the past perfect tense. The use of past perfect tense, the equation of past perfect tense, and how to construct the sentences of past perfect tense. इस वीडियो में हम पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे, उसकी इक्वेशन क्या है, उसके सेंटेंसेस कब यूज़ होते हैं और उसके सेंटेंसेस किस तरह से फ्रेम किए जाते हैं। पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस इज़ यूज्ड whenever we have to indicate that a particular work was completed in past. पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस का इस्तेमाल उस टाइम पर होता है जब हमको ये दिखाना होता है या ये बताना होता है कि पास्ट में यानी गुजरे हुए वक्त में कोई काम पूरा हो चुका था। As you all know that the general equation for the construction of any sentence is subject plus helping verb plus object. This is the general equation. Now we have to put values in this general equation and make it a modified equation for past perfect tense. So here is the modified equation of past perfect tense. Subject plus helping verb had plus verb in third form plus object. This is one of the easiest tenses to learn. Why? Because only one helping verb is used here. In the previous tenses, in the three continuous tenses, we had seen that there were in two tenses, in present continuous and past continuous tenses, there were three helping verbs. In future continuous tense, there were two helping verbs. But here in past perfect tense, there is only one helping verb and the verb will be used in third form. Now let's have a look at few affirmative examples. These are the few affirmative examples, positive sentences of past perfect tense. The first one, we had constructed a sentence of past perfect tense. What is the translation of this sentence? First of all, we are going to cross check the equation with the sentence. पहले हम ये देखेंगे कि पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस की जो मॉडिफाइड इक्वेशन हमने बनाई थी वो इक्वेशन और जो सेंटेंस हमने लिखा है वो एक दूसरे से मैच हो रहा है या नहीं. सो लेट्स हैव लुक एट द इक्वेशन एंड द सेंटेंस. व्हाट इज द सब्जेक्ट? वी. व्हाट इज द हेल्पिंग वर्ब? हैड. Constructed is verb in third form and the remaining part after the verb is considered as object. That means the equation matches with the sentence. That means we are going right. The first sentence, we had constructed a sentence of past perfect tense. What is the translation of this sentence? Translation इस sentence का ये होता है कि हमने पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस का सेंटेंस बनाया था या बना चुके थे. दैट मीन्स पास्ट में पूरा काम मुकम्मल हो गया था, पूरा काम हो चुका था, इनकम्प्लीट वर्क नहीं था. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, आई हैड बॉट अ न्यू मोबाइल. इट मीन्स मैंने एक नया मोबाइल ख़रीद लिया था या मैं एक नया मोबाइल ख़रीद चुका था. What is the verb here? Bought. Third form of buy. खरीदना. तो मैं एक नया मोबाइल खरीद चुका था, खरीदने का काम पूरा कंप्लीट हो चुका था. Next example, teachers had persuaded her to take classes regularly. What does persuaded means? Persuaded means to convince her, to force her. Persuaded means to convince her or to force her. So what does this sentence means? टीचर्स ने उसे रेगुलर क्लासेस करने पर फोर्स कर चुके थे. टीचर उसे रेगुलर क्लासेस करने के लिए फोर्स कर चुके थे या कन्विंस कर चुके थे. द वर्क हैज़ बीन कंप्लीटेड. वर्क हैड बीन कंप्लीटेड. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, दे हैड एडॉप्टेड अ चाइल्ड. एडॉप्टेड. यह एडॉप्टेड इन दिस सेंटेंस, एडॉप्टेड मीन्स गोद लेना. उन्होंने एक बच्चे को गोद ले लिया था या वो एक बच्चे को गोद ले चुके थे. सो दीज आर द अफर्मेटिव एग्जाम्पल्स और पॉजिटिव एग्जाम्पल्स. लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट द नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. The easiest way to construct a positive sentence into a negative sentence. I'm not talking about negative. Only if I talk about negative, that makes a different sense. I'm talking about negative sentence. By simply adding not after the helping verb, we can convert a positive into a negative, a positive sentence into a negative sentence. As we know that the helping verb has been used by us in as past perfect tense. So the first negative sentence, we had not constructed a sentence of past perfect tense. हम past perfect tense का sentence नहीं बना चुके थे. I had not bought a new mobile. मैं एक नया मोबाइल नहीं खरीद चुका था. Teachers had not persuaded her to take regular classes. Teachers ने उसे regular classes करने के लिए force या convinced नहीं कर चुके थे. Teachers उसे regular classes करने के लिए convince या force नहीं कर चुके थे. And the last negative sentence, they had not adopted a child. उन्होंने एक बच्चा गोद नहीं लिया था. So this was all about the affirmative and negative sentences. Now let's have a look at the interrogative sentences. What do you mean by interrogative sentences? Interrogative sentences means questions. There are two kinds of questions. Verbal questions, which are also called as yes/no type questions. The equation for the construction of a verbal question is helping verb, then subject, then verb, then object. There is an interchange of helping verb and subject, as we have seen in the affirmative and negative sentences. Affirmative and negative sentences are the kinds of assertive sentence. हमने ये देखा था कि assertive sentence में जो affirmative और negative sentences हमने अभी देखा, तो उसमें subject पहले आता था, उसके बाद helping verb आता था. But while constructing the question, स्पेशली वर्बल क्वेश्चन, वी हैव टू इंटरचेंज दैट. पहले हेल्पिंग वर्ब आ जाएगा, फिर सब्जेक्ट. द फर्स्ट वर्बल क्वेश्चन, हैड वी कंस्ट्रक्टेड अ सेंटेंस ऑफ पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. जस्ट हैव अ लुक एट दिस क्वेश्चन. एट द बिगिनिंग आई हैव यूज्ड हैड, which is the helping verb, followed by the subject we, then constructed is the verb, and then the remaining part of the sentence. Had we constructed a sentence of past perfect tense? What does it means? क्या मतलब है इसका? क्या हम past perfect tense का sentence बना चुके थे? Past perfect tense बना चुके थे. Second, had I bought a new mobile? What does it mean? क्या मतलब है उसका? इस क्वेश्चन का मतलब क्या होता है? क्या मैं एक नया मोबाइल खरीद चुका था? क्या मैं एक नया मोबाइल परचेस कर चुका था? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हैड द टीचर्स परsuaded हर टू टेक रेगुलर क्लासेस. क्या टीचर्स उसे रेगुलर क्लासेस लेने के लिए फोर्स कर चुके थे? या क्या टीचर उसे रेगुलर क्लासेस करने के लिए कन्विंस कर चुके थे? द वर्क वॉज कंप्लीटेड, काम पूरा हो चुका था. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, हैड दे एडॉप्टेड अ चाइल्ड. क्या वो एक बच्चा गोद ले चुके थे? काम पूरा हो चुका था, एक्शन कंप्लीट हो चुकी थी पास्ट में. दिस वॉज ऑल अबाउट द वर्बल क्वेश्चंस, विच आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज yes no टाइप क्वेश्चंस. And such questions are also called as rhetorical questions, but rhetorical questions are different from verbal questions and yes no type questions. We'll discuss this in the next video. Now interrogative, the second kind of interrogative की दूसरी kind, क्वेश्चन का एक दूसरा टाइप है, and that is called as WH word questions. उसे कहते हैं WH word questions. It is very simple. How many W or H words are there? There are 9 W or H words. 9 W or H words का हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन लेने के लिए. The simple way is just use the equation of interrogative verbal. Before that, add a WH word. So the equation of a WH word question will be WH word plus helping verb plus subject plus verb and at the end object. So these are few examples of a W or H word question. The first one, when had we constructed a sentence of past perfect tense? Just have a look at the construction of this sentence. इस sentence की बनावट पर गौर कीजिए. When had we is the correct construction. Most of the time we may ask the question in this way, when we had, that would be wrong. वो गलत हो जाएगा. पहले helping verb के बाद subject helping verb के बाद WH word के बाद helping verb, फिर उसके बाद subject. Next, why had I bought a new mobile? Why had I bought a new mobile? Why I had bought a new mobile will be wrong. Next, how had the teachers persuaded her to take regular classes? How the teachers had persuaded her to take regular classes will be wrong. And the last sentence, where had they adopted a child from? Just have a look at the last sentence. Most of the time such questions are asked, from where had they adopted a child? It is a wrong way. It is a wrong way for constructing the question. It is a wrong way of constructing the question. A WH word question should always begin with a WH word only. Where had they adopted a child from? In this way you can use the examples of past perfect tense in your day-to-day conversation. इस तरह से आप past perfect tense के example अपने day-to-day conversation में use कर सकते हो. I hope you have understood it. In the next video we are going to discuss about present perfect tense and future perfect tense. Thank you.